infected on 30th of March, and after recovering for taking good 25 days, I decided that nobody from my family should get infected. In fact, we should all get vaccinated very soon. As soon as the government of Maharashtra announced as 1st May, the vaccination is open for all 18 plus. We tried starting, our luck with the CoWIN app as well as the CoWIN site. Now, through this, luckily we got one booking which was on 4th of May at a location called as Dhasai, which is 100 kilometers away from Mumbai. I have two small daughters, and to and fro traveling to Dhasai will easily take around 8 hours. But still, we took a risk. We went ahead for it. But a day before that, that is on 3rd May, at around 4:30 p.m., we got a message from the hospital that this particular center is no longer available for the vaccination and your slot is being cancelled. On inquiring, we came to know that the villagers created a lot of issue, that why the localites 18 plus are not getting vaccinated, but people from Mumbai and the neighboring areas who are traveling with their cars, in the volume of 150 to 200 plus cars visiting that lockdown village area, that why they are really coming all the way to that village and getting vaccinated, whereas the priority should be given to the villagers. So that was a complete chaotic atmosphere out there, and that created this kind of situation. We again started trying. It was never say never kind of attitude for us. We started registering ourselves and looking forward for the slots between 7 to 8. The first time when we got the slot was 9:55 in the night, whereas this time we were successful in getting a location at Thane. We could not stop ourselves even to search for Pune, for Thane zone, for Palghar zone, and nevertheless Mumbai, of course. So this time finally we could get this location at Apollo Hospital, which is at Navi Mumbai, and we could get vaccinated very easily. Kindly go at the slot which has been allocated to you. In case if it is 2 p.m, go at 2 p.m. Do not try to rush there early in the morning at 7 or 6. It will be completely useless task. So just stick to your time, and at the same time be very sincere with this CoWIN or application or site. Be very particular and keep searching for it religiously. I think there is no other escape or any other excuse to say that we can't do it. In fact, we did it when the slot were not bifurcated at 18 and 45 plus. We did when everything was jumbled and it looked like a complete sandwiched thing. Now since the structure is much more refined, you can always try your luck. Thank you, Chandan Dikshit, once again.